You are going to love the 2020 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.